Lily, what are you doing?
I'm wiggling my tooth with a tongue.
Nice.
And it feels bloody.
Oh, yuck. Hey, say hi to Papa.
Hi.
Say hi, Papa.
Hi, Peppa.
Say hi, Papa and Mima.
Hi, Papa and Mima.
Say hi, Granny.
Hi, Granny.
Say, we've got lots of fun stuff going on tonight. Lily's coming out with her tooth. Annabelle is ripping up a book. Honey, will you please get that from Annabelle? Thank you so much. Eva is sleepy, trying to get Daddy to read a book.
Ow.
Al?
There you go, Annabelle.
Oh, this is really hurting.
Yeah.
Okay, let's read.
Say night night.
Night, night, and ow.
Al.
Good night. Say night night.
No. We love you guys. Oh.